What if I told you your favorite selfie could start talking like a movie character or a content creator?
With Hedra, it's not sci-fi, it's reality. Just one image and boom, instant animated magic. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI-generated characters using Hedra step by step.
Stick around to learn tips for making your animations more realistic. First, go to Hedra's website and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you'll see an easy-to-use dashboard where you can upload an image or generate a character from text. If you already have a character in mind, simply upload an image. Hedra accepts JPEG, PNG, and WEBP formats. Want an AI-generated character? Just describe your vision in text, and Hedra will create one for you. Now it's time to customize, and just type your text prompt. A stylish, energetic travel influencer in her 20s, smiling brightly on camera, with long, wavy hair, trendy sunglasses, and a chic casual outfit, she gestures naturally while engaging her audience. A stunning European street glows in golden sunlight, capturing the essence of adventure. Choose from different visual styles, realistic, cartoonish, or artistic, to match your content's theme. Hedra's built-in AI lets you add voice to your character using text-to-speech. Just type in your script, pick a voice, and let AI do the rest. Want something unique? Use Hedra's voice cloning feature by uploading a short voice sample. The AI will then match your character's lip movements perfectly. Once you're happy with the animation, select the aspect ratio that fits your platform, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Hedra allows you to export videos up to 60 seconds long. Download and share your AI-powered creation anywhere. Experiment with different voices and expressions for more engaging content. Keep your script short and impactful, especially for social media. Use background music and effects to make your video stand out. Hedra offers flexible pricing plans to suit different needs. The free plan allows up to 5 short videos per day, while paid plans start at $10 per month with premium features, like no watermarks and faster generation. The Creator Plan, $25 per month, includes 1 hour of video generation, and the Pro Plan, $50 per month, supports longer videos and more concurrent generations. For businesses, enterprise plans offer custom solutions.
And that's a wrap. Now you know how to bring AI-generated characters to life with Hedra. Want more cool AI tools? Smash that subscribe button, drop a comment, and if you want to explore and know more about Hedra, just click the link in the description.